Hey, this is Todd again, and you are finally here. You're on the Jumpstart page wondering what to do next. Well, here's what you need to think about. You probably are in the same boat as most people on the internet. You want to build an influence. You want to be an authority in your field. You have the ambition, you have the vision, you just don't know how to connect all the dots together to make everything combine into one awesome lead funnel that takes the people you want to work with from one spot and connects them, funnels them down to that sweet spot where you've got people who love to hear you speak, they love to hear what you have to teach, and you're converting them to being awesome clients. We're going to talk you through this journey a little bit. How does Moku simplify your tech stack? Well, I'll tell you why. I'll tell you what we do. First of all, we help you capture your leads. In the Jumpstart package, you see all those circles up above here? The Facebook, the Google, the Messenger, the Snapchats, all the social medias where all your clients live, right? They all are online somewhere. Your perfect clients are sitting out there absorbing other people's content while you sit back and fiddle with tens of dozens of software trying to figure out how you're going to capture them. So while you and a lot of your competitors are stuck trying to figure out how you're going to host your course, your dream course at the bottom of your funnel, all the smart people are taking their leads, they're talking to them, they're communicating with them, and they're putting them gently into a nice little funnel so that they can talk to them, nurture them, love them, talk sweet to them, and get them to buy their products. All the while you're spending money on software that you don't know how to use, you don't know how to tie together, and it's really embarrassing when you show your family what you've been trying to build and it's just not working. So take a look at these other icons down here. We're not going to call them out by name, but you recognize them. You're probably paying half the people on this list. These people are going to help you capture your leads. These ones are going to help you nurture your leads, and these ones are going to help you sell to your leads. Seriously though, seriously, are you a tech guru? Are you a genius? Well, you might be, but even the geniuses have a hard time connecting the dots between these software platforms. So here's our goal for you at Moku. We are going to jumpstart the process for you. We are going to take you from being someone focused on the tools you need to do this to somebody who is just literally guiding your clients in the front door and putting them gently into your funnel so you can love them, nurture them, and put them where you want to inside of your programs. Not sure where to put them? No problem. We've got all that figured out. We are going to help you by onboarding you with one of our US-based coaches. They're going to kind of understand what you're trying to do with your funnel, understand your product. And if you don't understand it yourself, don't worry about it. We're going to help nurture you to understand what that funnel is going to look like. First, we're going to build you a U card. Yeah, you've probably never heard of that before, but a U card is what we do to take all of your personal information, all of your content, links to your social media, and links to your programs, put them in one spot so that all you got to do is tell people, go to this URL, and we're going to hook you up with everything I got going on. We're going to build you a customized calendar, which also acts as a lead funnel entry port. Anyone that books an appointment with you, guess what? Your leads aren't going to get stuck in some other software platform. It goes directly into your CRM, so you know how to love them, nurture them, give them the nutrients they need to grow within your ecosystem. Next thing we're going to do is we're going to build for you a personalized About Me page. What's that? Well, it's about you, not me. No, the About Me page is about you. Don't get confused there. We're going to build an About You page. It's technically an About Me page, just with you, not me. That make sense? It makes sense to me. We're going to build an amazing About Me page that talks about all the things that makes you special, unique, and why people should be working with you. In that page, you're going to have links to everything that they need to have to learn more about you and how to get to those places so that you can convert them to a lead. Next thing we're going to do is we're going to help you build a lead magnet. We're going to build you a newsletter opt-in. We're going to build you one of 15 to 20 other ways to build a lead magnet so you've got a nice, pretty shiny object for your potential leads to fall into, give you their name, phone number, and email address so that you can nurture them any way you want to. Next thing we're gonna do is gonna give you a marketing phone number. Everyone needs one of those. We're gonna give you one of those so you're not giving your cell phone out to everybody on the internet. Those people can text you, they can call you, they can communicate with you on that number, and all the while not knowing that's not your personal number. How about a CRM with automation features? We got that. Building out workflows, building out messaging sequences, building out all the things you need for your pipeline. Yes, we have a pipeline workflow that we can follow your lead journey from start to bottom of funnel in one easy place. And from there, we're gonna plug you into an app so you can communicate, look at your funnel, admire your funnel, look at all those awesome juicy leads that are gonna convert to your perfect product, all in one place in one app that you can check out on your phone, Android or iOS. So, does that sound awesome or what? Sign up for the Jumpstart package today. We are very efficient at building these things out for you so that you have the foundation level to build upon so you can start nurturing, building your lead lists, taking them from start to a finished product, and ultimately having the perfect lead journey for your clients the same way that we're guiding you through our journey for our clients. Thanks so much for being here. Sign up for the Jumpstart package today. Get your appointments booked. We have a whole series of walkthrough videos to get you through the rest of the journey, and personalized coaches that are going to take you all the way to the end so that you're making money as soon as possible and not wasting time trying to plug this software into that one and zapping your way to the future. Thanks so much. We'll see you then.